The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario has arrived, and it's immediately clear that this isn't just another Lambo, tasked with succeeding the Huracan, the best-selling two-door Lamborghini ever. With more than 29,000 units sold over just a decade, the Temerario faces a monumental challenge. The Huracan itself had famously replaced the Gallardo, a car that sold around 14,000 units and became a benchmark for Lamborghini's V8 two-doors. With the Temerario, Lamborghini is making a bold statement. Entry-level supercars can be electrified, hybridized, and still deliver jaw-dropping performance. Its twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, paired with 3 electric motors, produces a combined 907 horsepower. That's more than the Porsche 918 Spider and McLaren P1, yet it wears the guise of Lamborghini's accessible two-door. Designing the Temerario was no simple task. The Huracan set a high bar, and while the new car isn't an instant classic, it grows on you. Hexagonal DR rails below the headlights initially feel odd, but once you understand Lamborghini design chief Mitja Borkert's inspiration Death Star hangar bays, they make sense. The car's proportions, slightly stretched wheelbase, and higher roof accommodate taller drivers without compromising stance. Colors play a significant role. Vivid yellows, oranges, and purples highlight the sharp lines, whereas darker tones like blue marinas can make it appear more subdued. The Aerodynamics package improves visual appeal and reduces weight, enhancing both performance and aesthetics. The engine is where the Temerario truly shines. Unlike previous V8 South and Lamborghini history, this isn't a homage to the Gallardo, Jalpa, or even the Gondini Pendraco and Silhouette. It's a wholly modern power plant. The 4.0-liter V8 with a flat plane crank spins to 10,000 revolutions per minute, or 10,250 revolutions per minute under launch control. Peak power arrives at 9,000 revolutions per minute and remains until 9,750 revolutions per minute. Two enormous turbos mounted above the valve covers combine with a rear electric motor to deliver seamless power below 4,000 revolutions per minute, with 789 horsepower and 538 pounds-ft from the V8 alone, plus 118 horsepower and 221 pounds-ft from the front motors. The system's total output hits 907 horsepower. Torque blending is sophisticated, delivering linear acceleration that feels progressive yet ferocious. Hybridization hasn't dulled Lamborghini's character. EAWD replaces the mechanical connection to the front wheels, borrowing technology from the Revuelto. Torque vectoring, steering assistance, and the front motor's contributions define about 70% of the car's driving personality. According to Lamborghini CTO Reuven Moore, the transmission is an 8-speed dual-clutch unit, paired with a brake-by-wire system that includes 10-piston front calipers upgraded from the Huracan's 8. Carbon ceramic brakes are cooled efficiently, ensuring fade-free performance even under repeated track use. Driving the Temerario is surprisingly approachable. On the Estoril track, the car's handling is precise, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. Corsa mode unleashes the full hybrid power, delivering brutal acceleration while remaining remarkably controllable. The car felt linear through corners, with the throttle providing a direct yet progressive connection to speed. A high-speed kink in fourth gear approached 160 miles per hour, and Parabolica interior saw speeds nearing 190 miles per hour, with braking zones offering ample room for control. Lamborghini quotes a top speed of 213 miles per hour, but the driving experience communicates the car's capability far beyond the numbers. Acceleration is relentless. 0 to 62 miles per hour occurs in 2.7 seconds, with 0 to 124 miles per hour in 7.1 seconds. Even the Huracan's previous benchmark times, like the 2.6-second 0 to 60 sprint in 2018, feel conservative in comparison. Launch control and rolling burnout modes provide theatrical displays of tire smoke and mechanical mastery, adding to the visceral appeal. The Aerodynamics package, while expensive at $49,113, improves both performance and handling, complementing the base price of $389,554. Carbon fiber wheels add another $20,000, placing the car in a competitive yet premium tire relative to rivals like the Ferrari 296 or McLaren 750S. The interior balances Lamborghini's performance DNA with refinement. Controls are driver-centric, screens are intuitive, and materials exude quality. The hybrid integration is seamless, with displays highlighting battery status and performance metrics without distraction. Sound is managed through both the naturally aspirated V8 character and the electric motors, which assist but never diminish the aural thrill. Lamborghini's approach to iterative development is clear. Just as the Huracan spawned Performante, Evo, Estio, Tecnica, and Stirato variants, the Temerario will likely evolve with performance upgrades and special editions. Lamborghini employees hinted at over 1,000 horsepower on bench dynos, suggesting future iterations may push the envelope further. Active aerodynamics, additional battery capacity, and track-focused options are almost certain to follow. Offering enthusiasts multiple ways to experience the model, the Temerario's hybrid powertrain redefines the entry-level Lambo. It maintains the brand's hallmark speed, agility, and drama while incorporating modern electrification. The car proves that supercar purism and hybrid technology can coexist, delivering an exhilarating, track-capable experience without compromise. With 907 horsepower, advanced torque distribution, and a design that blends aggression with sophistication, the Temerario is poised to carry Lamborghini's legacy forward. Every detail reflects careful engineering. Titanium connecting rods, motorsports-inspired pistons, DLC-coated finger followers, and a dry-sump lubrication system allow high revs and reliability. Turbo boost pressure reaches 36 psi, creating a linear yet potent power curve. These technical marvels support the car's character, which is both familiar to Lamborghini enthusiasts and revolutionary in execution. Lamborghini ensures the car's versatility. While track performance dominates, the car features about 10 miles of pure electric range, offering low-speed, quiet driving for short journeys. Strada and Sport modes provide alternative driving experiences, with a full hybrid system enhancing everyday usability without sacrificing supercar thrills. The front motor's torque vectoring ensures cornering precision, improving handling and driver confidence. In terms of competition, the Temerario positions itself uniquely. With 907 horsepower and hybrid sophistication, it surpasses many established hypercars in output while remaining relatively accessible compared to extreme models like the Aventador. The car delivers a hypercar's performance in a package that wears a two-door entry-level badge, opening the brand to a broader market without compromising excitement. Pricing aligns with the performance promise. The base Temerario starts at $389,554, making it pricier than the Ferrari 296 or McLaren 750S, yet significantly less than flagship Aventador or Revuelto models. Optional packages such as Alligerita and carbon fiber wheels push the price higher, but every addition enhances driving dynamics or aesthetics, ensuring value for performance enthusiasts. Lamborghini confirms sales begin early in 2026, marking the Temerario's entry into the global market. Track testing confirms Lamborghini's success in blending hybrid power and drivability. On tight corners and fast straights, the car remains balanced, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. Drift moments, though rare, are manageable, showcasing the hybrid system's effectiveness. Steering feedback is excellent, brakes are precise, and overall handling communicates a car that is both friendly and fiercely capable. The Temerario signals Lamborghini's commitment to innovation. Its hybrid V8, triple motor setup, and advanced electronics represent a new era for the brand. Despite the departure from a naturally aspirated V10, the car embodies the essence of Lamborghini speed, drama, and audacity while adding efficiency, torque fill, and advanced control systems. It respects heritage yet embraces the future. Finally, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario isn't just a replacement, it's a statement. It proves that hybrid technology can elevate, not diminish, the supercar experience. From aesthetic refinement to brutal acceleration, from precision handling to advanced hybrid systems, it defines the next chapter of Lamborghini's Tudor legacy. For enthusiasts, collectors, and drivers seeking a visceral, electrified thrill, the Temerario is both a challenge and an invitation to experience a modern Lambo in all its 907 horsepower glory. It's not just a supercar. It's a declaration that Lamborghini's future is as wild, uncompromising, and exhilarating as ever.